on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. My thoughts and prayers and everything goes out to all you guys dealing with the winter storms that are going on right now. As you guys may or may not know, I'm in Louisiana, southern Louisiana that is. We didn't get hit really hard. Temperatures did go down to the 13s, the lower teens, so it did get really cold here, but we did not get a ton of snow. We got a good bit of snow, but it wasn't enough to really coat the ground in a few inches. But as for northern Louisiana and like Dallas, areas of Texas, those areas got hit pretty good. And I know a lot of you guys are going through it right now. You have no power, no water, no anything like that. So my thoughts and prayers and stuff go out to you guys as you guys deal with trying to get everything back to normal and yeah, things like that. But you guys can tell by the title of this video, guys, the truck build is about to begin, guys. We are like about to lift off and start actually knocking things out on this truck. So like I said, and I think I said it in the previous video, I was supposed to drop the truck off this week to get the driver door repainted and a few other spots on the truck touched up and repainted. But as you guys know, the winter storms have been going on. Snowstorms and ice storms have been going on, and a lot of places have been closed because roads have been shut down here. We're not used to driving in snow or icing conditions. I know a lot of you northern people laugh at a lot of the southern states when things shut down because of snow and ice. We're just not used to driving in those conditions, so it makes it super dangerous for people to drive because they're just not used to driving in those conditions. So rather risk people's lives and things like that, they'll shut the roads down temporarily and just keep people off the roads. Primarily keep people off the roads, and only people that have to be on the road at those times are allowed to go back and forth to wherever they have to go. So that's the reason behind all of it. So yes, with that being said, I was not able to drop the truck off this week, so hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll be able to drop it off next week. Or if not, I called them today is Thursday. I called them and I didn't get any answer, so I'm assuming they're not in the shop today. So hopefully maybe tomorrow I'll be able to bring it and drop it off to them. If not, the latest maybe Monday, drop it off, take maybe a week with the truck and get that door situation handled and done, get the truck back. And as soon as we get it back, we're gonna start tearing into it. The lift kit on this truck is pending sale, guys. So before you guys ask if I'm selling it, yes, I am selling it. As of now, it is pending sale, so do not ask if it is for sale. If I don't sell it, I will post it and let you guys know if I'm selling it again. But as of now, it is pending sale. So as soon as I get the truck back, I'll be pulling that lift kit off, shipping it to the person, and that'll be that. We'll start mocking up the new lift kit, which I'm gonna unbox in this video in a few minutes, and really start test fitting and getting things in order to get this truck lifted. So I got confirmation today that my wheels have been started to be cut today. So that's good news. I should, within a week, should have all of them done and shipped out to me. So that is great news. So the wheels will be here. We're still pending on the tire situation. I've had people hit me up, but nothing serious. If you guys are not serious, please do not hit me up and ask me how much are these tires. You guys know how much these Furies go for, especially this size. You guys know how much they go for. Don't message me just to see how much I'm selling them for. If you guys are interested, hit me up with the offer, make an offer, and if I like the offer, I will sell them. But I do not need to absolutely sell them. I can hold on to these tires if I want and just end up using them if I want. But I would rather sell them and get some 40s off jump, but I'm not gonna take a low ball offer because these tires are brand spanking new. So don't DM me with some low ball offer. I've been getting a lot of questions about the headlights and the taillights. Like I said, the weather has been nasty here. It's been super cold and wet and rainy and snowy. So you guys can see, we have no condensation or moisture on the inside of these things. They still look awesome. They are a little dirty, but yes, they still are sealed completely and look really good. So that will answer the question of all you guys asking me how I seal or reseal my lights, or how they hold up in, you know, wet climates. So here's the tails. You can see those are still like they were when I put them on. No condensation or anything in them. They look awesome. So yeah, sorry if I'm talking pretty, you know, fast right now. It's freaking cold outside, and I want to say it's probably low 30s or mid 30s. Yeah, 38 degrees. So yeah, it's cold outside right now, and I'm trying to hurry and make this video for you guys because I need to put a video up. But yeah, here's our lift kit. You guys have seen it in the last upload. I'm super excited to get this thing test fitted and put on the truck. It's gonna look amazing. Kaotic Concepts, I know they killed it on this kit. As of right now, my truck will be the only one with this kit. As of now, I'm not saying it's gonna be the only one, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna start ordering this kit soon after this video drops. So yeah, let me go ahead and start unboxing this thing. I'm actually gonna probably use these boxes to actually ship the zone lift on the 250 right now to the buyer. So I'm not gonna just destroy the boxes. I'm trying to preserve them a little bit. So let me set you guys up and we're gonna get to opening these boxes. So you guys just saw me unbox the lift kit. This thing is amazing, guys. The quality is like top notch on this kit. This is basically our mini cradle right here. This is gonna connect our 4-link to our traction bars and tie everything together really. You can just see, you know, the quality and the welds on the kit. Like, this is just amazing. He hand welds each and every one of his kits. No machine welding. He bends all his metal in pieces with a hydraulic press and hand welds everything. You can't beat that, honestly, in my opinion. You get an actual human being touching each and every part of your lift kit. That's top notch in my opinion. The quality control, you know, you can keep everything like minimal. Any errors minimal with that person doing every, you know, single weld on a piece. Yes, you can, you know, have error, but it's a lot less likely to happen when, you know, an actual person is actually building each and every one of the kits that rolls down, you know, their welding table. So yeah, guys, I am super happy with this. We have a lot more on the way from Kaotic Concepts. It's like, I mean, basically the whole truck is gonna be Kaotic Concepts and a little bit of PMF and FOA. So, I mean, I like sticking with one brand as much as possible. I'm a brand loyal type of person. So if I could get in pretty much each and every piece that I need for a certain piece on my truck or build, I'm gonna get every single piece from that company, so everything matches and, you know, flows. So yeah, this kit, in my opinion, looks amazing, guys. It's top notch. Definitely check out Kaotic Concepts. This is the two of our 4-link bars right here. I want to say this is the upper. This is the shorter ones. Yeah. And we have our other set right there, along with the other mini cradle and our traction bars in the back. I showed you guys our brackets. This is the brackets for the traction bars. Comes with ballistic mounts. Ballistic joints. Like everything in this that he sells in his kits is top notch. He doesn't skimp any corners, and you know you're getting a quality kit when you order from him. So I definitely guys, 100% recommend you guys checking out Kaotic Concepts. No, I'm not getting paid or I'm not sponsored by them at all. When I recognize quality, I just like to pass it on to other people, and yeah, you know, recognize a quality company when they're doing, you know, quality work. So definitely check them out, guys. If you're in the market, if you have a 6.0 or any PowerStroke at that, he sells and makes a lot of things for PowerStrokes. Dual steering stabilizers, traction bars, lift kits, you name it, he pretty much sells it. He's starting to branch over into the Cummins and Duramax market, so you guys have any of those platform trucks, definitely check him out, and he may be able to work with you guys on something. If you guys definitely go to his site and order something, definitely mention me and my name. You guys, he may be able to hook you guys up with a discount on your lift or whatever you guys buy from him. I will not get any kickback from it, but he may be able to help you guys out by mentioning, if you mention my name and or YouTube channel. So definitely keep that in mind. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. I'm about to go edit this right now and try to get it up tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please go down below, hit that like button, subscribe button, and also turn the notification bell if you guys haven't already. We have so much coming, guys. This is just only the beginning. So you guys definitely want to stay tuned. Hopefully we get the truck dropped off next week so we can get that paint knocked out. I do plan on being at LST next weekend, so if you guys are going, comment down below, hit me up on Instagram so you guys can meet up and link up at the show, and I can meet a few of you guys. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and you guys all stay safe. Peace.